It's my mom's dog, Checkers. He loves his bear. You guys want to see him?
Show him how he goes in his crate. Can we do that?
Hold on.
I'm going to open
Hold
the
on.
door.
Hold on, let him. It's my mom.
Wait. Are you ready, Paul?
Hold on, let him do his thing.
I know, but I want them to hear him. See him. He has to go to the store. Oh, he didn't open it on. Are you still filming?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. Mommy has to go to the store.
Opens the door himself.
Watch how he gets out.
Come get your bear. Come get your bear. Come get your bear, Checkers. Come on. Checkers, come here. Get your bear.
Come on.
Come on, Checkers. Come here. Get your bear. Does he think it's locked?
Yeah. Tell him we're going to go for a ride.
We're going for a ride. Come on. Come on. Get your bear.
He's filming the dog. He's putting it on YouTube. He's opening the crate and everything. He's sleeping with his bear.
Checkers. Look. Checkers. Come on. Come on.
Well, how's that going to work? Yeah, where's Paul?
This is the best.
Towel.
I want to see him lay down.
He's about ready to go. There we go. Oh, wait.
Here it comes, the moment we've all been waiting for.
Don't pull out. Ooh. Yeah, get it just right. Hang on, just right. Watch him muckle his face.
And that's how he'll sit for the next 20 or 30 minutes.
Yeah, it's his groove going.
Checkers with his bear. Good boy, Checkers.
Don't, he won't look. He's in the zone.